Hey there, ever wondered about those incredible little creatures buzzing around your garden? Today, I'm going to share some mind-blowing facts about honeybees that'll make you see them in a whole new light. First up, did you know that a single honeybee will only make about 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey in its entire lifetime? Yet somehow, a healthy colony can produce over 100 pounds of honey per year. Talk about teamwork. Here's something that'll blow your mind. Bees can recognize human faces. Scientists discovered they can remember and distinguish between different facial features, which is pretty impressive for an insect with a brain the size of a sesame seed. And speaking of their abilities, bees are incredible mathematicians. They use something called the waggle dance to communicate with their hive mates, calculating precise angles and distances to food sources. It's like they have their own built-in GPS system. Want to hear something really cool? Bees never sleep. They remain constantly active inside the hive, and when they need to rest, they simply stop moving for a few seconds to recharge. Here's a fascinating one. Honeybees maintain their hive at exactly 93.5 degrees Fahrenheit. In summer, they cool it by fanning their wings, and in winter, they cluster together to generate heat. It's like they're running their own climate-controlled apartment. Get this, a queen bee can lay up to 2,000 eggs per day. That's more than her own body weight in eggs. She's literally a baby-making machine, and she can choose whether to lay male or female eggs. Did you know that bees are actually excellent sniffers? They can be trained to detect explosives and drugs, just like police dogs. Some airports are even considering using them for security. And here's something that might surprise you. Honey is the only food that includes all the substances necessary to sustain life. It never spoils, and archaeologists have found 3,000-year-old honey in Egyptian tombs that's still perfectly edible. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, bees are responsible for pollinating about 1/3 of the world's food crops. Without these tiny workers, our supermarket shelves would look very different, and many of our favorite foods might disappear. Pretty amazing, right? These tiny insects are truly some of nature's most fascinating creatures, and they deserve all the protection and appreciation we can give them. Next time you see a honeybee, remember, you're looking at one of Earth's most incredible engineers, mathematicians, and essential workers all rolled into one.